So, thank you, sir, for joining us. So, today's topic would be financial investments in the time of pandemic. So, let's start with the basic thing, sir. So, we just want to know from how long have you been investing in this investment?
Yeah. So I'm Dr. Firoz Khan, and I've uh, I've got 20. My age is 53. Okay, 53. I've completed now. So I've been into teaching since 15 years, 15, 16 years, and the rest part is I was in the industry. So almost 20 years I've been into investing. So it was a kind of good experience. Though initially I was reluctant to invest a huge amount, but nowadays I'm quite open to make a also good investment. That's the thing I think. So please go ahead to ask me any more questions on that. Yeah.
Sure. So, there are different types of stocks like stocks, mutual funds, and gold investments. So, which kind of financial investments do you prefer to invest in?
Uh, I think when you are asking me questions, I will suggest also one thing. Keep also a lot of open-ended questions, because the close-ended questions with yes or no or this one or that one particularly, actually that never helps, in the stock market. Because
Mhm.
if you ask me like when I started investing and now today when I'm investing, so there is a huge difference. So when I started to learn stock market, I was not having all good stuff, and so I started. I remember the first stock I purchased, it was a penny stock, so it was uh, even this stock is still I'm having. That was Birla Cortsin. It was I purchased at 35 paise, and I didn't have much money. But if you today ask me, of course that was a wrong investment. So I believe actually that's not the wrong investment. That's the real learning. So if you don't incur loss, making profit, you can make it profit if the luck supports you, but I believe on your hard effort, so that really helps. So whatever the loss I incurred earlier, that really helped me. So that's why I put a disclaimer from the very beginning, so don't put I mean it's a suggestion only. I know ki
Yes,
you
sir.
are working, you are going to ask me with certain framework, I know that, but keep a lot of questions also open ended, because the kind of thinking 20 years before and now the thinking is a huge learning, so nowadays if you ask me, like I invested in Colgate, Palmolive, I invested in Hindustani Lever kind of stuff. So there's lots of changes, and I invest in stocks, I'm very conservative, conservative in the sense like, if you ask me like to invest in mutual fund, I'm not interested, though I speak in the classroom that investment in mutual fund is also good, and that's a good business also. Students are also getting jobs in those companies, and there are investment managers who are making crores of money. But I'm with that kind of typical baniya kind of thinking that अपना पैसे को हम दूसरे को नहीं देते हैं, है ना? अपना पैसे
Yes.
अपना ही हमको मैनेज करना चाहिए. So if you know a business, you invest into that business, and if you don't trust anybody, forget the person. If I don't trust any business, I'm not going to invest in that business. So how come I will trust people to hand over a huge amount of money to them? I have invested earlier in Ulips, but that was kind of, test was quite a bitter. So I made it a point that I'm not going to hand over my money to anybody. So that's again, again coming back to the same thing. So keep a lot of questions also open ended, so that is a good learning. Yes.
Sure, sir. I'll make it.
So so absolutely no to mutual fund. I keep my money with myself. I make a loss, doesn't matter to me. In fact, I take this loss as a stepping stone. Okay.
Sure. So, going to the next question. So, how did you consider the COVID situation as an opportunity or a loss?
Absolutely a big opportunity. So whether it's a corona or demonetization or kind of those situations I have seen, I've made a lot of money. In fact, this is the fact that if your fundamentals are okay and you get all all the updates and you are very much serious about your updates, and then you make the business, and you simply don't listen to Warren Buffett or don't listen to uh, that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala kind of stuff, you will definitely make money. Of course, you have to listen. Of course, that's the point. You have to listen, but I will suggest not to follow them. You have your gut feeling. You develop your gut feeling. How that gut feeling will know, it's a very complicated process. But listening to them is good, but not to follow them is the strict yes.
Oh, sure. So going to the next one, what do you feel was the impact on the market because of this pandemic?
See, I invest in those stocks which are fundamentally strong. Okay. So, for example, take the case of Hindustan Unilever products, Live. Okay. So, do you think pandemic has got an impact on that? So, definitely, people would be buying more Live.
Yeah.
So, because in my home, like if you look at Warren Buffett, he says I invest into that business which I know well. So, when I can use Live in my home, how can I not trust this company? That's the point. So Colgate का अगर मैं paste use करता हूँ, okay, how can I say कि the pandemic or crisis kind of things are going to dampen the market? That's $1 million question. For the students, really, it's the learning that when you know कि ये Colgate paste चलेगा, you know, so and the fundamentals are good. You have to look at also past trends. Some of the more parameters you have to have your into your consideration. अगर वो parameters अगर अच्छे चलते हैं, so definitely yes. Doesn't matter whether it's a pandemic or XYZ crisis kind of things.
So you have been sticking to big brands like HUL, or did you shift yourself into any medical or healthcare stocks as well?
I have invested into. I mean, you are student, so that's why I'm very open. So had you been an investor, I would have been little conservative to speak out my portfolio. But yes, you are student, so you are absolutely welcome. I've invested in SDFC Life. Okay, and pharmaceutical, they have been doing well under this pandemic conditions. But I don't rely kind of company which are doing just because the pandemic has come into force. Okay, उसके बाद क्या होगा फिर? Okay, so because I'm an investor, I'm not a speculator. Okay, so that's the point. Ki like the example I gave you, the Lifebuoy, the Colgate paste. If I am happy with the product, how this pandemic has got some impact on this kind of product. तो मुझे रोज ही लगानी है, लाइवबॉय तो रोज ही लगानी है, और कोलगेट पेस्ट में तो मुझे ब्रश तो करनी ही करना है. तो अगर ये इस प्रोडक्ट में अगर कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं है, so why I would think about pandemic. That's a big thing. Yes.
So, what main changes did you see in the behavior of the stock market investors because of this COVID?
See, जैसे हम लोग कॉलेज में बोलते ना कि हर बच्चा अलग होता है ना? हर बच्चा है ना? तो you cannot mix up X with Y, कि दोनों एक है. You cannot say like this. So similarly, हर इन्वेस्टर अलग होता है, उसका सोच अलग होता है ना? तो like I'm talking about not very complicated things. I'm talking about very simple things. Okay, and anybody who listens to me perhaps agree, कि तो इसमें तो होना ही था, जैसे बोलते ना प्यार तो होना ही था, काइंड ऑफ तो प्यार तो होगा डेफिनेटली. सो बिहेवियर में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता बेटा. फर्क पड़ता है किसको, दोज हु आर नॉट visionary or those who are not looking from a long term perspective. So when you are an investor and you are not a trader or you are not a speculator, so your horizon is very clear, your perspective is very clear. And when I'm looking forward 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, I believe these products are going to survive. Okay, even like insurance. If you look at Warren Buffett or whatever, our even uh, uh, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, they have also invested into insurance. लेकिन वो point नहीं है. Point ये है कि look at the untapped market in our country. If you look at the rural India, the insurance, life insurance is untapped. Additionally, the pandemic has also given, like in my case, I was always thinking and also preaching in the classroom that insurance is not a good thing. Life insurance is a kind of nonsense, because the person will get, or the legal heirs will get benefit only when the person dies. तो इसमें कोई फायदा नहीं है। लेकिन पेंडेमिक में ये चेंज हुआ, ये चेंज मेरे लिए हुआ, मेरे लिए, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई एम ए different investor. So the best thing which has happened in pandemic is that I have understood insurance, life insurance. I was thinking कि life insurance की जरूरत नहीं है, you go for only accidental insurance or mediclaim, but don't go for the term life kind of things. But अभी मेरा thinking change हो गया, मेरा थिंकिंग ऐसे चेंज हुआ कि मैंने तो अपने लिए भी ले लिया है, वाइफ के भी ले लिया है। So this is big change to my kind of, at this age I'm changing, so that's a great thing also. But this is learning for students also, like you are listening to me, so that's the best thing for all of you. Yes,
So you go to a long-term perspective when you
right.
invest, or do you invest short-term also?
Long-term perspective, of course, but thoda sa, you have to be mindful. You have to be mindful that wherever opportunity, like the biggest problem to make money in the stock market is the timing. Like you are
Yeah.
talking about that only perhaps. कि timing जानना बड़ा मुश्किल है कि कब बेचना है. Okay, so if you are not adamant, or if you stick to your basic things, like जब भी मौका मिले बेच दो, जब मौका मिले, जैसे for example when BJP government came to power. That day itself, stock market went high by almost 500 to 600 points. मैंने उस दिन ही 90% बेच दिया था. ठीक है. उसी तरह से जब योगी जी चीफ मिनिस्टर बन गए यूपी में, तो उस दिन मार्केट करीब 150 पॉइंट गिर गया था. So I purchased few stocks. So you have to wait for the right opportunity, and that will come, and that comes also. So you have to wait for your kind of requirement, and also the timing you have to match and shoot the gun. That's the point. आप अगर सोचोगे कि कोई बताएगा और आप खरीदोगे, तो that's a wrong thing you do. So जब भी मौका मिले, in fact after selling it, sometimes I believe कि अरे और थोड़ा रुक जाते तो और भी प्रॉफिट हो जाता. I don't depend on those kind of things. एक बार सोच लिया तो फिर मैं, मतलब एक बार कमिटमेंट दे दिया तो मैं फिर अपना भी नहीं सुनता. तो सलमान खान kind of dialogue.
So we can't really know what is a good time to
Exactly,
invest.
nobody knows. It is only God knows.
Nobody knows.
It's only
Yeah.
God knows. तो अपने दायरे में रहिए, अपना एक, you have to have your kind of a framework, kind of gut feeling you need to develop. And the moment that time comes, you believe you need some money, and the timing is perfect, the market has gone up, so बेच दो उसको फटाफट. और जब मार्केट जब गिर जाता है तो उस समय खरीद लो बहुत सारी चीजें. और लेकिन ये मत सोचो कि भाई और थोड़ा इंतजार कर लेते तो और थोड़ा प्रॉफिट हो जाता. ये सब बेकार की बातें.
It
Don't
can
look
fall
into
ahead.
it. That's the thing.
Sir, you just mentioned that sometimes you follow others, decisions, or उनके कहने पे हम invest कर देते हैं ऐसा कुछ. तो what do you suggest, sir? ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं करनी चाहिए. अपने दिमाग खुद लगा के like we have to invest in this, or like there's many people who follow others, investment pattern, and they do invest in such way in stocks. So what's your take on that, sir?
To brokers.
You have a very. What's your name? What's your name, beta?
Divya,
What's your
sir.
name? Divya.
Divya.
Divya, you have raised a very valid questions. See, what I said is listening is very much required. है ना? So listening. A manager has to be having a good list. Manager has to be a good listener first. तो आपको, so what other are doing? It's all mind game. So like you have said rightly. Somebody was talking about behavior. So it's all about mind game. So दूसरों को देखना जरूरी है, दूसरों का सुनना जरूरी है, लेकिन उनको फॉलो करना जरूरी नहीं है. याद रखिए, थोड़ा सा लिसनिंग इज ए मस्ट. आपको सुनना देखना जरूरी है, but don't follow them. In fact, when they say something, they have got a vested interest. So be careful. So what I do, for example, when Rakesh Jhunjhunwala says something, मैं उस दिन का जिस स्टॉक के ऊपर कहेगा ना, जैसे मान लो एक होटल में इन्वेस्ट किया उसने, so I will not invest into that hotel, but I will look into some peer hotel. Okay, some उससे competitor जो होगा उसको मैं watch करूंगा, और फिर उसमें उसका फंडामेंटल्स को चेक करूंगा, और उसको देखूंगा कि उसके फंडामेंटल्स अगर सही है तो मैं उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दूंगा. बट राकेश झुनझुनवाला ने जिस होटल को कहा होगा उसमें तो पक्का नहीं करूंगा मैं. ओके, उसमें तो पक्का नहीं करूंगा मैं. तो दैट इज माय पॉइंट.
Yes, sir.
So, how do you calculate and manage your portfolio, and how do you calculate the risks upon that?
I थोड़ा सा it will take some time. For example, I teach in the I look at beta, I look at P ratio. Okay, this time I have invested a good amount of money, but I found that actually these stocks were high P ratio, you know. So I was thinking कि price गिरेगा, price तो गिरेगा और मेरा loss हो जाएगा. I know that, but उसमें फिर भी मैंने लगाया कि because I was very okay with the kind of their past trend. जैसे हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर का 10 years का trend देखोगे, so it's good. I mean वो एक northward जो trend होता है, so that is almost every time. So you just look at the 10 years instead of 5 years. Generally 5 years का देखता हूँ, but sometimes also you have to look at how the company is doing over the last 10 years. So over the years, over the 10 years, suppose you find that the trend is a kind of northward, it's a upward. तो थोड़ा बहुत गिर जाता है तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, है ना? So I look at, of course, some of the things what you have been given in the classroom, that is beta, P ratio, these are good. These are the most fundamental thing to start with. But ultimately, you will develop a gut feeling once you go on investing for a long period. So उस समय कोई बीटा बीटा काम नहीं करता है. उस समय बस आपको लगता है कि अच्छा है तो लगा दो पैसा, है ना? So many times start investing in some companies, you believe, you cannot rely on this P ratio or even beta. So that time will come. But when you have been given in the classroom, like those are also very fundamental. So you have to start with those fundamentals. Beta I see, like you are talking about the risk factor. I normally avoid, like my age is 53. So I avoid, more than one. If it is 1.5, 1.75 kind of beta, then I'm a little reluctant, but not against also. So you have to have a lot of flexibility. Okay, you have to have your flexibility. Um, of course, God is there. I do not know what will happen. That is always there. But you have also your own ways to fight with the God, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but with more experience, you win more than you lose, that is the thing.
सर कई बार कहते हैं जितना बड़ा रिस्क होगा उतना बड़ा प्रॉफिट होगा. So you go by that mentality or not?
आपका एज में ठीक है. So when you are saying this at your age, like for example, the first stock I purchased, it was our penny stock. Penny stock, you understand, these are very cheap,
जी
and
हाँ.
almost I found that this company is going to be closed now. So I invested in that company thinking that generally what happens when the company gets closed, the assets would fetch more money than the market capitalization. क्योंकि वो ऐसे भी डाउन होते होते इतना डाउन हो जाता है प्राइस कि ऐसा लगता है कि उसका जो बुक वैल्यू पर शेयर होता है वो उसका आपका मार्केट वैल्यू से भी बढ़ जाता है. आई मीन मार्केट वैल्यू डाउन हो जाता है, बुक वैल्यू तो वही रहता है. तो बुक वैल्यू पर शेयर वुड बी हायर देन द मार्केट वैल्यू पर शेयर. So you start believing कि ये कंपनी, and I came to know this company perhaps getting close. तो मैंने सोचा कि लगा देते हैं उसको क्योंकि that was the highest risk I took. But ultimately अभी भी लॉस में मेरा चल रहा है वो. तो बट दैट वाज ए स्मॉल अमाउंट. 5,000 में मैंने 500 या ऐसे कुछ 5,000 आई इन्वेस्टेड देयर एट दैट टाइम. तो उसमें मेरे को करीब 5,000 या 10,000 स्टॉक्स ऐसे कुछ मिल गए थे, है ना. 50 पैसे 30 पैसे का कुछ स्टॉक्स चल रहे थे. बट अभी भी आज देखोगे तो 10 पैसे चल रहा है. सो इट वाज ए लॉस टोटली. But that was good to learn. That was a good thing I learned when you said higher the risk, higher the profit. That is good. That is a general kind of thing. That's a generally uh, good when you invest a small amount. But that is more risky when you are investing for lakhs of money. तो थोड़ा सा careful होना पड़ेगा. So in that case, you have to see that lower the risk but higher the profit. You know that principle should help you.
Which kind of trading do you prefer the most, like the intraday or the regular long-term types? Yeah.
नहीं मैं इंट्राडे तो बेटा करता नहीं. I in fact against the kind of intraday. I believe this is not the right stuff because like I believe people would be losing a lot of money if they go for depending on the technical. Like if you have listened to a lot of good Warren Buffett भी बोलता है कि इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग ये सब गलत है और ultimately it dampens the real market, the market fundamentals को ये disturb कर देता है. So whenever there is a crisis or the market does southward move, so जब गिर जाता है तो फिर लोग चिल्लाते हैं and they start always criticizing the intraday traders कि इसको बैन कर देना चाहिए but ये भी चलता है गवर्नमेंट उसको बैन भी नहीं करता है but I'm okay like people let the people invest in that way also or make money actually that is not investment that's just a what do you say trading kind of things
Hmm.
तो I don't do that I invest long term but मेरे को बस मौका मिलना चाहिए मैं बेच भी देता हूँ तो कभी भी 6 महीने में बेच देता हूँ कभी 3 महीने में बेच दिया कभी 15 days में भी मैंने बेच दिया है सो बट कभी कभी रखता भी हूँ एक साल 1.5 साल 2 साल भी रखता हूँ बट आई ट्राई टू वेट फॉर द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी एज पर मी व्हाट इज द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी जब मुझे पैसे की जरूरत होता है और प्लस जब मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा मार्केट अभी ठीक चल रहा है तो बेच दो है ना
Yeah.
और पता नहीं कौन आदमी किस समय जिएगा तो 2020 में कहते हैं ना कि फर्स्ट यू एंजॉय द लाइफ सो पहले जी लो उसके बाद देखेंगे बचेंगे तो फिर देखेंगे फिर उसको भी सोचेंगे है ना बताइए
And what are your favorite sectors do you prefer to invest in? And because of this pandemic, like, have you changed in your sectors, or did
lots
you
of
continue with
yeah,
the
lots of
same thing?
definitely it's a very valid question what's your name beta
Akhil, sir.
sorry Akhil
Akhil, yes.
okay Akhil this is also a very valid question but don't trust me also because I go with my kind of gut feeling so I don't like earlier I was investing in banks Axis Bank में मैंने अच्छा पैसे कमाए भी है लेकिन if you ask me today I'm not interested also invest in PSU stock जहाँ पे there is a regulator like RBI is there is a government kind of setup decision making में इतना time लगेगा I first in I mean the quality investment I did once in Coal India लेकिन मुझे समझ में आ गया कि ये सब बेकार है so again I put a disclaimer also don't trust my words so it's my
Yeah.
kind of thinking my style so I dislike banks I dislike PSUs even I have started also disliking even private sector banks though SDFC bank का आप देखोगे तो उसमें the maximum FII investment is there almost 50-40% there's a huge investment by FII but I don't go by them I just go by my Khan sir style तो मेरे हिसाब से मैं अभी इवन आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू इन्वेस्ट इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक्स आई इन्वेस्ट इन जैसे मैंने बताया कि इंश्योरेंस में अब लेकिन आई एम आल्सो लिटिल रिलक्टेंट थोड़ा मुझे जहां पे लगता है कि पैसे बर्बाद हो जाते हैं इंश्योरेंस लाइक LIC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन का भी पैसे बर्बाद हो रहा है लॉट ऑफ रॉन्ग इन्वेस्टमेंट दे डिड रॉन्ग लोन दे हैड गिवन तो आई एम लिटिल रिलक्टेंट आल्सो सो मेरे हिसाब से FMCG बहुत अच्छा है फार्मास्यूटिकल में थोड़ा लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव में अगर करोगे तो अच्छा है banks kind of things I dislike I know कि people are making lots of money but I dislike because I'm always thinking कि the business should be free so not to be restricted by RBI or government kind of system so I like MNC kind of companies those who are selling goods which are being used by the public the Coke Pepsi वो सब में भी अच्छा खासा है लेकिन खैर वो सब तो यहाँ पे नहीं है तो आई इन्वेस्ट इन FMCG गुड्स दैट इज गुड ओके लेकिन बहुत कॉस्टली भी है नेस्ले का प्राइस भी बहुत ज्यादा है तो HUL कोलगेट ये सब ठीक है यू कैन इन्वेस्ट लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज
Actually, is around 200.
हाँ मुझे बैंक आपने सुना होगा इफ यू आर रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर that there has been a lot of people are writing that Indians are not bankable like Indian businessmen are bankable that means जो भी पैसे लेता है वो जैसे भाग जाता है विजय मल्ल्या की तरह तो बैंक्स अपने हाथ में हाथ देके बैठ जाता है कि अरे RBI को करना था RBI बैंक फिर बोलेगा so I do not want to be into this kind of stupid thinking there is a regulator regulating every time business is business it should be free from each and every boundary गलत करेगा तो फंसेगा और उसको फिर रेगुलेटर होना भी चाहिए so don't trust my words
Yes.
again I'm repeatedly telling so this is my style of doing so when you start investing and you also become experienced so you will also develop your own style so you will feel very proud when you follow your kind of style, and you make money and you are happy. So that is a good style.
Sorry to say this, sir, but I am one of that person who is enjoying on the bank's growth. Actually, I
Of
invest
course,
in
that's what I said.
HDFC.
That that's why I put a disclaimer. Na? So don't go by me. Don't go by me. There are a lot of other people also making huge amount of profit. Maybe also Akhil also. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, exactly. Like it was really correct what you have said. Yesterday it was too high for the banks, and today it was like totally down for the banks and PSUs.
नहीं, look at from a कि suppose you are a long term investor in a bank, और लेकिन बैंक फेल होगा ही होगा ऐसे लगता है मुझे, क्योंकि if bankers are failing, if the PSU banks are failing, can you guarantee the private sector banks? Okay, so that's my point कि भाई अगर if you understand कि the Indian kind of typical businessmen, they take loan and they manipulate the accounts, and ultimately they cannot refund the money. अभी भी देखो न्यूज़ देखो जो आपका दैट गुजराती बिजनेसमैन क्या है जो अभी एयरपोर्ट मुंबई एयरपोर्ट में उसको काम मिल, क्या नाम है उसका?
Adani.
So Adani Group. So Adani Group has got a lot of issues, you know. So
Yeah.
and they are taking. I'm really skeptical. I'm really very doubtful if that kind of things are prevailing. Just today's news, if you look at Adani has got issues with something they have done, and the investors are not interested, and the clients are not happy. I mean, huge amount of money. I mean, I'm yet to read the entire article. I'm just talking about the headline I just read. So these are very critical. You know, these are very very complex. So better to avoid this kind of stocks. So
So one question which is something kind of personal, but it will really helpful for us to understand on this perspective. So how much percentage returns do you look for? Is it the
uh,
same during the pandemic also? Like yeah, you have said like it will be changing different times. So how much percentage
see,
returns?
number one thing is I don't consider pandemic as a kind of problem for me. No, number one.
Okay.
And but your point is valid. There has to be a particular level that you wait up to that level, then you know. So
Sell.
it is better to maybe 20, 30%, 30% maximum. So I do not allow to exceed 30%. By the time I reach 25, 30, so कुछ अंदर से ऐसे आवाज आता है कि बेचो 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 बेचो. है ना? तो क्योंकि और मुझे इंतजार करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि बहुत हो गया, बहुत इंतजार कर लिया, 25-30% हो गया, बेच दो, है ना? सो एंड मेक मनी एंड एंजॉय विद फैमिली. और उसके बाद जैसे होता है ना कि Muslims are a little against investing in stock market. It is because they believe कि इसमें मेहनत नहीं होता है, इसमें पसीना नहीं बहता है ना? So whatever the business you do, there has to be pasina, the sweat, but there is no sweat in making money in stock market. So I'm little also not against of this, but not fully also supporting that. So I try to always balance both the perspective. So that's why I do not. I'm not happy to wait for 40-50% kind of things. The moment it reaches 20% से ज़्यादा हो गया, 30% अगर पहुंच गया तो बहुत अच्छा है. बेच बाज दो, उसको एंजॉय कर लो. ठीक है. That's the point. डोनेट कर दो, कुछ पैसे डोनेट कर दो, है ना? कुछ बच्चों के लिए, कुछ गरीबों के लिए कुछ कर दो. So that I believe is the right way.
That's the right point. So I want to ask one more thing, sir. So there are a lot of situations which happens in the economy. Like now at present it is pandemic, and before it was demonetization. So different kinds of things which happen. So how long will it take for the market to regrow again to the previous
See,
trends?
there has been a lot of speculation. I know people are talking about this, and lots of questions are being raised to the professional investors. But what I understand as my style of learning, that today if you look at the market has gone down, but there was 3-4 days of high. It was going well. So, and there is all, while you are very confused about so much of informations coming, but there comes also the right informations. So today I got a news that whatever the government has announced, our finance minister has announced 2 days back. So that has the investors, I mean the industry people are happy. And ultimately, I was knowing also government has understood slowly, but understood rightly, and they are taking steps late. They have taken steps late, but the steps are on the right directions. So I believe market would respond. Like if you look at one forecast by Moody, I think Moody, if I'm not wrong, today's news it has come by December 2021. It would be stock market that Sensex would be at 50,000 around. So if you read that news, I've not gone through that full article, but I read that headline. So I believe, and as I have been also witnessing, whatever finance minister has announced recently, that is really going to affect positively to the industry. So I'm very positive. So I'm rather okay with that Moody's predictions, which has come today or maybe yesterday. So market is good. Like maybe by 2021 end, that means December, if there is a predictions, I think it might, I mean, it might, our country might achieve this. Okay, I believe that way.
So one last question for today, sir. So what are your suggestions for the newcomers like us to enter to the market? So
See,
like what to be
yeah,
considered?
that's the $1 million question. That's as a teacher, and as a teacher, I must tell you, if you are studying finance as specialization subject, so all the students in the class, must open up that demat account and start investing something. Doesn't matter whether it's so to start with, maybe 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, you can invest in the good stocks or whatever stocks you believe that is all good. कुछ ना कुछ करो यार, ये पढ़ाई तो आप लोग को मिल जाएगा. Everything you can learn. Like the first year, the kind of strenuous, all hectic schedules are there with every PGDM program everywhere. I've noticed that it's all good. थोड़ा इधर उधर चलता है, but all are good. So everything is on the your learning side. But that experimentations, what you are supposed to do in the second year, वो चीज दिखाई नहीं देता है. So please tell all students, बहुत हो गया, अब तो change कर दो यार, अब तो start investing, whatever you believe. Whether it's a gold. My daughter, when she was 11 years old, because Warren Buffett started investing in the stock market at the age of 11. So I told my daughter कि भाई, why not you also start investing? So she said कि मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं है. Then I said कि अच्छा, I was doing PhD in my silver. My thesis was into silver and copper. So I said कि why not you start investing in silver? ठीक है, वारेन बफे को अपना शेयर मार्केट में लगने दो, तो आप अपना सिल्वर में इन्वेस्ट करो. Now look at the price of silver and copper. These are all doing well. So my daughter started purchasing silver coins when she was at 11. Now she is doing CA, and almost 22 हो गया, 23 हो गया होगा. तो 11th class से वो कुछ कुछ खरीदती रहती है. So it's a good investment. So it's not necessary that you would only focus on stock market or derivative market kind of things. But I will caution the students not to go for derivative at this point of time. Read properly, understand properly, then you, because it's a huge money. Derivative lot size, any lot size, it's a very huge amount of money. So I don't like you people to burn your money, burn your cash, your parents' money on this derivative. Rather, take 2 to 3,000 rupees and invest in stock market. That is really going to, even if it's a totally loss, but you will learn a lot. And you learn less from your success. But on the loss side, when you really learn the maximum from your loss. So let the loss you people all incurred. I mean, I don't like to wish it, but let the students face loss. You learn the maximum. That is the biggest learning. So yes, I think this should suffice. So every student in the finance, particularly finance, must start investing in something or the other. Talk to your parents, invest in either stock market or gold or silver. These are all good. So I don't think gold or silver is a good thing from a long-term perspective. But stock market is good because if you look at the research, reports, stock market always gives you good result, better. I mean, inflation adjusted return, that is always high as compared to gold, silver, or real estate or anything. So that's the biggest, highest return giving investment products. Yes.
So do you have a research pattern, or do you research before investing in any stock or something like that?
Uh, to start with, yes, I was doing. But if you ask me today, I don't do huge research because बोलते ना कि जैसे आप the moment you go on having more and more experience, your every attitude, you develop that mindset, you develop that temperament, you develop that instinct. So when you develop that instinct, you don't have to do further research. And remember, another thing is, I would like to also caution that mathematical modeling, to be restricted while for the prediction part I'm talking about. Like investment banker, they use a lot of mathematical modeling. So that is very complex, and the past has shown, the history has shown that the mathematical calculations you should restrict to maximum regression correlation. Don't go beyond that. Don't go beyond that. If you go beyond that, people don't understand it, and neither you will be able to justify. And things are very complex, so avoid all complex things. Let's make things very simple, and perhaps up to regression correlation is good, but don't go beyond, because if you can search, lots of literature are there looking into that subprime lending crisis and other crises, that mathematics should be restricted. Mathematics should be restricted up to something what people understand. Beyond that, you can do it for publications, but not applying for money, in the real market. So maybe I may be sounding little harsh, but this is our experience. Okay, so I'm just
No,
sharing
sir.
my
It was really the right feedback for us, like, because look, we are in such a situation that we are about to start in an investment or a beginning stage. So all this are something like a lessons for us, and it will be a stepping stone for like to learn. So it was really a great session for us, and having you with us. So definitely the whatever suggestions or the feedback you have given, right? Like, so all this will be giving and share it to with our friends and our fellow mates also, so that it will be helpful for more number of students as well.
Right. So nice. But you are also good students. When you tell me ki I am good, so definitely you people are also good that you are asking. You are making me excited to speak lots of issues. You have critically framed a lot of good questions. So those are making me to speak out of box. So that means that you people are also really good. God bless you, and I
Thank you,
believe
sir.
a great future ahead. So your institute is really great that they are producing such good students, and I'm really happy to interact with you. God bless you. Thank you.
Really, thanks
Thank you,
for
sir.
joining with us. It was really a
Thank you
good
for giving
words.
your time, sir. Thank you so
God,
much.
God bless you. Okay, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.